For as long as history has been recorded, we can find certain accounts relating to spiritual humans creating recipes which were used to make potions, elixirs, and salves, the purpose of which has many different meanings depending on the needs of the person brewing them. In ancient Egypt, a mixture of honey and acacia leaves made a suitable source of birth control, while places like present-day China still use herbs and raw materials to create medicinal elixirs. However, in 1996, probably the most vomit-inducing evolution happened in the world of alchemy when an up-and-coming Serbian performance artist by the name of Marina Abramovic teamed up with graphic artist Jacob Samuel to create a book/performance series unlike anything that modern-day society has ever seen. See, Abramovic decided to produce a cookbook filled with what she called aphrodisiac recipes. In essence, she wrote down incredibly lewd and flagrant instructions on the same lines of voodoo rituals, tools for creating outcomes if done properly. Now, I won't go into extreme detail about what some of these recipes are. You can look them up yourself if you want. Just be advised, they are extremely disgusting and not for the weak of stomach. And this is just a teaser here, Abramovic writes, "Fresh morning urine, sprinkle over nightmare dreams," and "With a sharp knife cut deeply into the middle finger of the left hand, eat the pain." Some of them call for other bodily fluids, like adult ones. It's just weird. The video that records her writing the recipes down shows her using a brush with pig's blood to look as closely as it can to human blood. But the performance art of Marina Abramovic gained media attention when she brought her odd and macabre style into Hollywood and Washington, D.C. Abramovic would host dinners where guests of high status would eat normal food and artistic food in the presence of dark imagery, actors pretending to be severed heads, and blood-splattered walls, all while wearing white robes. Some of her acts even include nude people touching themselves inappropriately behind panes of glass. To some, it was a simple expression of art, and to others, it's believed to be a form of satanic ritual. Abramovic has become acquainted with several well-known celebrities who have attended her live spirit cooking performances, such as Lady Gaga, Jared Leto, and Chief Presidential Advisor of the Biden administration, John Podesta. Abramovic claims that she is just an artist and is not doing her performances for satanic purposes, but there are still many who believe that it has a deeper purpose. Outside of spirit cooking, she has recorded and acted in many other shock and awe performances, such as having a drawn bow and arrow pointed at her head and being slapped repeatedly in the face. But what is the deeper picture? According to the official explanation of Marina herself, spirit cooking is meant to be evocative instructions for actions or for thoughts, based on the theoretic principle that ghosts feed off intangible things like light, sound, and emotions. Essentially, she is implying that through her art, the spirits which surround us in our daily lives can be fed using deep emotions such as lust, pain, fear, and sadness. If you are among those who believe in seances and rituals, then you know that through profound fear and emotion, those who seek to reach the undead can oftentimes do so. We see things that appear to be creatures in a slightly dark room, not because they are there, but because our mind has a powerful emotion that there may be something there, and we experience reality as if that creature was actually there. The same principle applies to Abramovic and her spirit cooking. Spirits will be noticed and fed through the tense emotions of those in the room. It is an interesting topic. Gross, but interesting. There's not a lot of information out there as to the history behind why she chose to start the project in the first place, but I will leave the purpose of this odd ritual up for you to decide. I'd like to thank you for joining us on another edition of the Ellisinian Society. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos.